Cathars were a Christian movement which thrived in southern France between the 12th and 14th centuries. Denounced as a heretical sect by the Catholic Church, its followers were attacked first by the Albigensian Crusade and later by the medieval Inquisition, which eradicated them by year 1350. Thousands were slaughtered, hanged, or burned alive at the stake. The Cathar Way, or Sentier Cathare, is a voyage into the past, a trail of some 260 kilometers through the foothills of Pyrenees in Languedoc, southern France. It links a chain of ruined medieval castles and retraces the dark history of the Languedoc Cathars. Cathar Way is now officially recognized as a Grand Randonnée Path, the GR 367. Usually it takes 12 to 14 days to complete the trail.